Hello and welcome to the channel. So this is totally new to me. I've never done anything like this. I've done Instagram, Facebook, I've done everything, but I haven't really made any real YouTube videos. So I want to give this a shot. I'm going to be doing reviews on stuff that I use. Building a car, my LC500 behind me. I'm going to document the entire build of the car. Basically, anything I want to make a video about. Lots of reviews I'm going to say is coming up. Lots on the LC500. Probably lots on helping my friends. I'm always down to help a friend if they need help working on their car or doing anything. We'll pull it in the garage. Let's make it happen. So my name is Steven. Subscribe, follow along. This is going to be for fun, really. I don't expect to get any views. I don't expect anyone to subscribe, but if you do and you want to tag along and watch the videos, it'd be greatly appreciated. So thank you and welcome to the channel. Today, we're going to be installing an engine cover on my LC500. This is more of a review for the engine cover because we can all install an engine cover. So let's check it out. All right, let's pull this thing off. Basic, a lot gonna happen in here. Basic. You got the Tom's oil fill cap. Gotta have Tom's. So pull this off. Here's the new one. This is a carbon engine cover made by E6 Carbon. Had to peep the Vated sticker there. Gotta have that. I threw an F on there because, as you're gonna see, I'm making my own LCF. People are gonna hate, but I'm gonna make it happen. So we gotta throw the F on there. Pretty happy with this cover though. It's great quality. Great quality. What's going on, Ollie? What's up? That's my dude right there, little Ollie. All right. Yep, hard to do this with one hand. So we got the engine cover here. Again, E6 Carbon. Highly recommend them. This is a very nice engine cover. I'm really happy with it. So first thing I want to do, after you take your old one off, put your rubber grommets on here. Put those on. Kind of a pain in the butt to get off the old one. In fact, I'm missing this one. I know. I'm gonna put it on later because this kind of making mad. Anyway, put this on. Snap it in. Super easy. In fact, I probably don't even need that one. I'll put it on later, but I probably don't need it. Yeah, that's it. E6 Carbon. Easy peasy. They have a ton of carbon parts. I'll link them below. But that's mod, I don't know, number 4. A couple other things we'll get into here later. But thanks for watching. Subscribe. There'll be more, a lot more than just, everybody knows how to put on an engine cover. So 10 out of 10 recommend. Thanks, guys.